Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Boss Equalizer and connecting your instrument to input and your amp to output. Once done, make sure the amp is on a clean channel and volume low to protect hearing. You set every slider to 0 dB, so you start from a neutral baseline. This helps you hear each change clearly. Then, engage the pedal or plugin and confirm the bypass works so you can compare processed versus dry sound before making further adjustments. You now tackle the core frequency bands to shape tone. First, sweep by boosting a band slightly to reveal problem frequencies. Once identified, cut that band by 3/6 dB rather than boosting others for cleaner results. Then, make musical boosts of 1/3 dB where you need presence or body. Make sure to adjust bandwidth so changes sound natural, and continually check overall level to avoid clipping. If something sounds harsh, reduce the corresponding high-mid band and reevaluate in context. You finish by balancing tonal changes and confirming they translate in the mix. Once done, do a /B comparisons with the bypass to ensure each edit genuinely improves the sound, and make sure master level matches bypass loudness so you judge changes fairly. If you hear noise or clipping, first reduce any boosted bands or overall gain, then check cables and power supply. Finally, save settings or mark pedal positions so you can recall the switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.